Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you from Chaya. Today I am reading a poem. The title is The Oak and the Rose by Shel Silverstein. This poem talks about an oak tree and a rose bush. They grow together and they share their experiences, and later on the communication between the two. Let's read the poem first and then we'll talk about the meaning of the poem. An oak tree and a rose bush grew, young and green together. An oak tree and a rose bush grew, young and green together, talking the talk of growing things, wind and water and weather. Talking the talk of growing things, wind and water and weather. And while the rose bush sweetly bloomed, the oak tree grew so high that now it spoke of newer things. The oak tree grew so high that now it spoke of newer things. Eagles, mountain peaks and sky. I guess you think you're pretty great. The rose was heard to cry, screaming as loud as it possibly could. I guess you think you are pretty great. The rose was heard to cry, screaming as loud as it possibly could to the treetop in the sky. And you have no time for flower talk. Now that you have grown so tall. It's not so much that I have grown. It's not so much that I have grown, said the tree. It's just that you have stayed so small. It's not so much that I have grown, said the tree. It's just that you have stayed so small. I feel this poem explores the theme of friendship, growth, perspective, and communication. It basically highlights how differences in growth and experience can sometimes strain the relationships and the importance of understanding and appreciating each other's viewpoints. This poem covers the conversation between the oak tree and the rose bush. Though they grow together, initially they talk about each other's company and they share their experiences. However, as the oak tree grows taller and taller, it starts to talk about all the things that it can view in its surroundings, like the eagles, the mountain peaks, the sky. However, when the oak tree starts to talk about all these things, the rose bush has a feeling that I am so insignificant and ignored. The rose cries out in frustration, feeling that the oak has grown so tall that it no longer cares to talk to the rose bush and its concerns. The oak in response explains that the oak tree in response explains that it's not that it has grown, but rather that the rose has remained small, limiting its perspective. I feel this poem gives us a profound message that sometimes in our lives, such things happen. Instead of focusing on our own growth, we tend to compare ourselves with the people around and their growth and their success, and we get frustrated that I haven't grown so tall. Instead of focusing on the growth of others, I feel this is a strong message to all of us that we should focus on our own beauty, own strengths, our own potential, and focus on our own success and growth instead of comparing ourselves with others around us. I hope all of you liked the poem. Thank you for a patient listening. See you soon with a new poem. Till then, goodbye. And I have to request all of you that please do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with like-minded people and poem lovers. Thanks so much. Goodbye.